Good evening, friends. I am Sabari Lakshmi, one of the OIT aspirant from Egischool family. Today we are discussing articles. Articles are words that accompany and give context to noun. Simply, article means the words a and on. That both are called articles. Okay. Then articles there are divided in three types: defined article, indefined article, zero articles. In defined articles, they indefined articles a and then zero articles, no articles. So what is defined articles? So defined articles means used before the noun. Okay. Then it indicate the identification of noun. Then indefinite article means this is also used before the noun only, but name itself we easily identify. This is not identify the noun. So defined articles and indefinite articles. Defined articles means identification of the noun. Then indefinite articles means identification is not known. So both difference. Here there is used article is they, then here used articles a and n. Then zero articles means there is no article. Then before using articles, we understand the nouns. Nouns, what is nouns here? Countable noun, then uncountable noun. Countable noun means here can be used singular or plural. Singular means we will count one. Then plural means more than one. Can be counted, means we easily counted. This is countable noun. Example, a patient was admitted. Here, patient is singular, then one. So here singular or plural, easily counted. So this is called countable noun. Then uncountable noun. Uncountable noun means this cannot be counted. This represents a mass, concept or quantity. So for example, she gave you advice on post-operative care. Here, advice is uncountable. We give advice to patient. It is not countable. We call in what there is a patient was admitted means there is countable. One patient is admitted today. We give advice, not countable. So in this way, we are different. Countable noun, then uncountable noun. Define articles here. First, they. So first we are saying they, where and all we use they. Okay, define articles. They. They means we are using in specific nouns. Here singular, plural form, countable and uncountable. There's four places are suitable for they. Singular countable, for example, singular countable, the patient is in room 12 needs dressing. Here the patient is singular, then countable. Then plural countable example, the patients in the ICU are critical. Here, yes. So, no more than one patient. So, is plural, then countable. Uncountable. The equipment has been cleaned. So, equipment is uncountable. So, keeping your mind, where and all you use in that day, the specific nouns, singular, plural, countable, then uncountable. Simply keeping in your mind, they used in special noun. Then indefinite article, a and on. They are used in singular, then countable nouns. And a and on depends on the sounds. Depends. We are studying in child itself, vowel sound. A on means vowel sound. A, E, I, O, S. Easily used. Then remaining one A, where we use in consonant sound. Remaining letters are consonant sounds. So use before consonant sounds. A, patient. A, treatment. Then use before vowel sound on examination. E, A-E-I-O-N. On IV, drip. So IV, I, A-E-I-O-U-S, I. Like that we are find out the A and an. So they used means singular, plural, countable, uncountable. Then A and they used in singular and countable nouns. So example in our healthcare setting, See, presented with a persistent curve. So here, persistent, P for. So here A. How we find out the A? Why you are not A is used and vowels not here. A, E, I, O, U is not in here. Then this sound is consonant sound. Then C present with singular. So here A persistent cough. Second one. He was treated for a fever and complained of a headache. So some symptoms use a fever, headache, a headache. Some symptoms is that I will explain briefly. Then on ultrasound, AEIOU, on ultrasound, revealed the tumor. On ultrasound, AEIOU, vowels sound here, ultrasound, vowels, U. So on ultrasound, revealed the tumor. He refused on X-ray of the abdomen. Here X-ray, A silent. So on X-ray of the abdomen. In this way, we are writing A and on. Then zero article. We studied here they, A, and. Then we no need to use some place zero. Article means no need to write articles. No articles is used to plural countable nouns. Some plural, then countable nouns person means we don't use articles. Then uncountable nouns when speaking generally. So plural countable. C was prescribed antibiotics. Sometimes if antibiotics means plural. Then antibiotics countable only, but plural. Yes, giant. Antibiotics, yes, giant. So we don't need to write any articles here. Then next, see complaint of headaches and stomach cramps. Here also headaches. Yes. Then stomach cramps. Yes. So if used plural with countable nouns, no need to write zero articles. So here we use zero article. Then uncountable. See, presented to the emergency department with nausea and dizziness. So nausea and dizziness are uncountable, not able to count. Then physiotherapy will help Mr. X to gain mobility. Here physiotherapy. Physiotherapy is uncountable. So we are no need to use article. Here some more explanation. We are used all the job roles means countable. So no need to use article. Some examples: physician, physiotherapist, psychology, cardiac surgeon. If in our case notes, if given any job means used articles. Which articles? A physician, a physiotherapist, a cardiac surgeon. Like that, right? If given job title means. Common symptoms. Some symptoms are countable. So we used in articles. Symptoms example, a cough, then a runny nose, headache, swollen ankle, fever, sore throat, muscle cramp, migraine. This and all we used A article, a cough, a runny nose, a headache, a swollen ankle, a fever, a sore throat, a muscle cramp, a migraine, like that. Then sometimes some symptoms, some expectation of the rules. Which under the expectation, which symptoms are this expectation? We no need to use articles means nausea, vomiting, dizziness, hearing loss, constipation, breathlessness, amnesia, diarrhea. These names are given. We don't need to use articles. This and all uncountable nouns. So no need to use articles. Then if given procedure or procedures are countable and also singular. If given blood test, stool sample, CT scan, biopsy, dressing, colonoscopy, lumpectomy, tracheostomy, colonoscopy means you write a blood test, a stool sample, a CT scan, a biopsy, a dressing, a colonoscopy, a lumpectomy, a tracheostomy, a colonoscopy, like this way. Otherwise, if given any names, vowel sounds like ultrasound, exam, investigation, endoscopy, angiogram, echocardiogram, encephalogram. Like that given means this and all comes under vowel sounds. A, E, I, O, U. So you write in on ultrasound, on exam, on investigation, on endoscopy, on angiogram, on echocardiogram, on encephalogram. In this test also, if given in plural way, blood test, given blood tests. So used in plural way means no article. Then stool sample, stool samples. Yes, if joined means no article. Okay. Then therapies. If given therapies means uncountable noun, there is no don't need to use. If physiotherapy, occupational therapy, radiotherapy means don't use articles. Then diagnosis, some conditions. Diagnosis, diabetes, hypertension, eczema, cancer, hypertension, Parkinson disease, dementia, Crohn's disease, diabetes, eczema, depression, epilepsy. This and all don't use articles. If you write, she has diabetes, then she has the diabetes. So here, diabetes is the one of the condition, disease condition. No need to write there. If you write there means that is wrong. You need to write there, she has diabetes. Then in simple way, keep in mind, condition, diagnosis, therapy, then some symptoms means no articles. The job title, body parts, symptoms, type of test, procedures, this and that, right? A. Then vowel sounds means you write on. Then they, a, on. They means specific noun used in singular, plural, countable and uncountable. A means consonant sound, then singular, countable nouns. And means vowel sound, singular, countable nouns. No article means plural, countable noun, uncountable noun. I hope everyone understand what is a and they. Okay. Now give some practice test for you. Filling the gaps, a and they or no article. Following dash diagnosis, Mr. X was advised to reduce his meal sizes. He needs dash MRI scan to assess the extent of dash injury. She was prescribed dash painkillers. I have referred Mr. John to dash podiatrist for further treatment. Patients with dash irregular heartbeat should avoid coughing. She complained of dash sore throat and dash breathlessness. She has dash eczema. Please comment what you find. I'm saying no, A and they. These articles, please comment. Comments means share your answers. First question, following dash diagnosis, Mr. X was advised to reduce his meal size.
The first one, the, and second one, he needs an
Because
MRI
diagnosis
scan.
is the
Following the diagnosis, an MRI.
here following dash diagnosis, Mr. X was advised to reduce his meal size. Here, before the diagnosis is the, which one? This one is the special noun. So special noun means which one we need to here use? Special noun or specific noun? The following dash diagnosis means here that diagnosis. Okay. Then second one, he needs dash MRI scan to assess extent of dash injury. Here dash MRI. MRI means under vowel sounds. M-A. So on MRI scan to assess extent of injury. Injury means here specific noun. So the injury.
She was prescribed the painkiller.
Here, next question. She was prescribed dash painkillers. Painkiller is countable, then yes. Then mean what we wrote here. Yes, no articles. Here, plural, then yes. Then next question, podiatrist means specific. Podiatrist means specific noun. So we here wrote in The patients with this irregular heartbeat should avoid coughing. Irregular. So irregular, vowel sound on irregular.
She complains of the sore throat.
Where some specific symptoms. Breathlessness is severe. She has dash eczema. Friends, this one is you find some symptoms, no articles, so we no need to write articles. One more time, I explain. A and they. This and all articles, countable, then uncountable. Then A used in conditions, therapies, some symptoms. Yeah, this and all, no articles, job titles, body parts, symptoms, type of test. This and all we used in A. Vowel sounds we used on an. I hope everyone understand. This is very small topic.
Okay, thank you, Shabri, for today's session.